What's up guys, before we hit this video off, I'd just like to say one thing. I never plan anything and nothing ever goes as planned. So some videos do be a bit messy, some videos do be very good. But today's video will be a bit of everything. There's working on the Civic, there's working on other cars, there's metal work, there's welding. So guys, enjoy the video and have a good one. Whatever you do, don't park a car under one of them. Hasn't cleaned the car. This clip does not want to stay in, so I'm going to have to organise something with this. I'm going to have to try and DIY fix it now. Get a clip on it, or maybe a nut in the washer. Hopefully that doesn't come off now. Nice and tight. Let's see how long it lasts underneath that. The boards keep crapping. She's nice and clean now. Can't wait to get it on the road. So I'm doing it. I'm ordering my K20 swap. It's coming from a company in England called VTEC Monkeys. Full K20A2 conversion. 120,000 miles on it, so when I do get the engine I'm just going to strip it back, clean it, do the timing chain, change all the pulleys, put new belts on it, and I might do a head gasket. I'm not sure. I'll see what the compression is like when he's going to send me a video. He's going to compression test it. If the compression is good and high in the car, I leave it as is, because the head gasket can be done in the car if it does go eventually in the next while. Another thing I will be changing on the engine, and I do highly recommend it if you're doing a K-swap or you're buying an EP3, there's a metal coolant pipe in the car and it's right underneath the inlet manifold, and it's an absolute pig to get to when it's in the car. So I'm going to take the inlet off and replace that with a new Honda one. They're like €40, about £30. It's not terrible, but in my EP3 I was driving and a pinhole burst in it, and it emptied the coolant in seconds. So that's the first thing that will be done to the engine. I'm going to spray up the engine, do the rocker cover. I'm going to spray the inlet black. I'm going to order a K-swap manifold. One of my mates put me onto. 450 quid is not bad, but it's custom made to fit the exhaust that I have and whatever I need. Or I'm going to buy a DC Sports one off me mate. For 300, so it's not too bad. There's a few more bits and pieces I do need to get. I'm going to get the car NCT'd first. I do need to replace that crack in the window. There's not really much else to do on the car other than service it for the NCT and then NCT it and tax it. The minute that's done, the K-swap will start. So hopefully in the next month I will have the K-swap. I'm going to pay for it this week, and he's going to ship it out next week. So it depends on how long the logistics takes from England now with the whole pandemic shit still going on. So yeah guys, I'll keep you updated on the Civic anyway. I'll just give it a quick wash there, because sitting underneath the light there, you can see it right there. The boards like to sit on top of it and shit down, and it's landing right on the quarter panel. So I parked the car a little bit out from the path, so hopefully it doesn't get it. next up, I'm going to be doing stuff on this sitting right in front of me. Look at that. Yeah. So yeah, that'll be getting done. I have the front bumpers in the garden. I might fit them to the car because we're just going to do a respray on the full bottom half of the car, polish the rest, or just a full respray. We'll see how much it's going to cost us, because obviously I have to pay me, but I can't expect him to do it for free. I am looking for wheels. Anyone that's watching this that has a Seicento, what wheels can I get that will sit out about an inch or two away from the arches? Because I want to put black over arches on it, just to make it look cool. I did buy steel wheels for the car and they didn't fit, so I have to be careful of what wheels I'm buying. I'm nearly sure mini wheels fit it, because minis are 4x98/4x100. So if I get 4x100, I know wobble bolts will fit, but then I'll also need spacers and longer bolts. So yeah, I'm gonna look into that. But if anyone knows what wheels I can buy that will fit it, or you have a set of nice wheels that are there that will fit it, I'll buy them, obviously, because I'm gonna finish the car and raffle it off for charity. So every single penny I get for the car, I don't care what I put into it, every penny I get for the car is going straight to a charity. I'm thinking Temple Street Children's Hospital, because it's close to my heart, because my young one has severe asthma and she's in and out there and she gets looked after so well. So I'm thinking Temple Street Children's Hospital, because they do so much for her and other children. So yeah, I'll keep you updated on that anyway. You will see it in a good few videos when we're doing work on it. So I'm going to replace everything on the car, suspension wise, brake wise. And same with this Civic. I need to get coilovers or new suspension for it, because I'm not liking the coilovers in this. That's the second hand. I'm going to get the TN Super Street, 500 quid or something there. It's a bargain for what they are. And yeah, I have to get good stuff for this car, because it's going to be K-swap and it's going to be fast, and one of you is going to win it eventually. Like when I proper kick off the raffle of like 60 tickets sold for out of 1500. I know it's a lot, but for the car you're getting and what I need to put into another car, it's going to be worth it. So yeah guys, down to the garage now. I'm going to do a bit on the bonnet again and bumpers, and then we're going to crack on with the Mini. The Mini is getting done in the next few weeks, and then I have 2 weeks off in September, so the Mini is going to be done quick, and some upgrades as well, hopefully. So yeah, see you down there. So guys, I'm an hour in, just over an hour in doing this bonnet. Let's have a look. So we have all this edge done all the way up to the top. Nice and smooth. We'll be going over it with the 360 before he paints it. So that's this side done. And the middle bit here, and then this side done. So it's literally this big area right here to be done. Might just do the front edge tonight, because it takes a really long time. So I'm going to get this front edge done, and then it's just this bulk here, which should be another 2 or 3 hours of sanding. Yeah, whatever lacquer or gel coat was put on this, it's a really thick layer and it's really hard to sand off. So I'm going to get cracking. Now boys and girls, that is it for now. Still needs a good bit on the front there, but it's nice and smooth and it comes up nice. Just this little bit needs to be done, and then just this all the way around here just needs to be done. So more posts came for the EG6 the other day from my brother. He got new drive shafts with inners and outer CV joints from a company called J&R CV Joints. They're in the UK. Pretty cheap enough as well, and they're a good quality brand. I've been running their inner CV joints in the Mini for a good few years now, and I just replaced them as well. I ordered the full drive shaft kit off them and then sold the drive shafts and the outers. Could have kept them for my brother, but it was a while ago I got them. I also got drive shafts for the LSI just to get it rolling because one of the shafts was broken in it when I got it. And I think it worked out like €80 delivered for 2 drive shafts, and they're holding up okay. I've driven the car fine, there's no wobble, no nothing. So yeah, that's it for now. I'm going to leave this bonnet until tomorrow. I just don't have the energy for it now. We're a busy day today. So yeah guys, I will be back down in the garage tomorrow. So enjoy and I'll see you then. That is deadly. Don't throw like butter. It's just a little bit rusty. Jesus Christ. Do it. Not looking too bad for a cheese grater, is it? Persuasion tool, it's just down there, yeah? Looks the bleeding job. came down to work on your bonnet, and I ended up working on Reaper's scrap box. It will be a scrap box. It's always going to be a scrap box. So yeah, guys, I'm only on my way home now. It's 12:30. I went down to the garage to work on the bonnet and do a few bits myself, but my brother was down there working on my mate Al's Rockbox. Nissan Vanette. But yeah, I got a good bit done. It's been a while since I've done a bit of metal work with my brother, a bit of welding. I'm not great at welding, but he let me do a few bits and pieces. It's not hard to do, but it's hard to do right. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please give it a like, give me a comment. If you want to see more metal work, we can do that as well. My brother plans on getting his Civic out of the garage next week and getting my Mini into the middle of the floor. We're going to sand it, prime it and block it, because the colour that I picked for the car needs to be nice and smooth. So yeah, guys, keep tuned for that. I appreciate you all for watching. So yeah, I'll see you in the next one, guys. Thanks for watching. Peace.